Good morning from Boston.
But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand. You ready? Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart.
Good morning. We just got to Boston. It is 5:30 in the morning. We worked all throughout the night and we are finally here. We are all exhausted, ready for bed. We have 12 hours until we have to be back at the airport. So today we are going to be sleeping the day away. I'm still going to be vlogging today because we have a lot to do tonight. We have to work all over again tonight. So make sure to keep watching for tomorrow's vlog. So before we went up to our rooms this morning, we stopped for breakfast. You know we can't miss out on the most important meal of the day. So first of all, we're putting this on the door. Second of all, who did this? No, 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 honey. Alright, hi guys, good morning. It is around 6:30 right now. I'm going to hop into bed and sleep for a little while. I'm so exhausted, you have no idea how tired I am. I promise I will tell you guys all about the red eye and all about my day coming up when I wake up, so just be patient with me and I'll see you in a couple hours. Good night! Good morning. Well, it's not really morning, it's, what time is it? 5:30 p.m., which means I have to get up because our shuttle is at 6. So I'm going to hop in the shower and get ready for the day, and I will see you guys downstairs. So do you guys remember my vlog the other day when my whole phone screen was shattered? Yeah, that was the little screen protector on top, and now, today, my phone fell onto the bathroom floor and it shattered, and look, the little screen is broke right there now. Well, we crushed our food. Everyone finished their food. That means everyone gets dessert except Apple. So we just got to the Boston airport. We are a little bit delayed. We're waiting on our plane to get here now. There's a lot of weather in Boston, around Boston, so kind of wasn't too shocked to see the delay, but I'm ready to go home. I think we're supposed to land around 11:30 p.m. now, meaning I'm not gonna get home probably until 2:30 in the morning, so it's like another red eye. No, it's fine. I have the next 4 days off. Like you guys saw though, I might have to go get my phone fixed. You can't really tell on here, but you guys saw earlier, my phone literally shattered. Love that for me. We are just working the one leg home to Orlando tonight. We have the same pilots that we did yesterday, so I'm super excited. They're really cool, like you guys saw. If you haven't seen my Vlogmas video yesterday, make sure to go and check that out. There is gonna be a link to the Vlogmas playlist in the description box and also at the beginning of this video in the cards. Make sure to catch up on all the Vlogmas videos if you haven't done so already. We just finished having our food, like you guys saw. I'm gonna put the camera down, we're gonna head over to the gate, and I'll talk to you guys when we get onto the plane. When you're going home. So we just got on the plane and we're gonna start boarding in a minute. But first I wanna show you guys how I make my special holiday drink on the plane. So basically what I do is I take a full can of club soda, pour that into my little tumbler, get it all in there. Then I take a little bit, not a whole can, not even half a can, maybe not even a quarter can of cranberry juice, dump it in there, and then I add lemon and lime packets, and it makes the best holiday drink. The gate agent just motioned to me that we're gonna start boarding though, so I will talk to you guys when we get to Orlando. Oh my gosh, the pilot brought us treats again. We love that. Yeah. Hey guys, so we just got back to Orlando. We are waiting right now for the employee shuttle. I have never seen the line this long though. I don't know if it's just because I don't work a lot or if I come in at like weird hours, but it's like almost midnight right now and this line is wrapped around the building. Insert footage here. Yeah, really crazy. I just wanted to say hi and check in with you guys. I know I didn't really vlog a lot today, but I will be updating you guys throughout the rest of the night. I'm gonna go home, see John, and you guys will see a little bit of the behind the scenes of that. And then tomorrow is another day of Vlogmas, like you guys know, and John and I are actually filming something very special, so make sure to keep an eye out for that. I'm gonna put my camera down now because there's a million people around here and I don't wanna look totally crazy, so I will talk to you guys in a little bit. I'm back home now. I didn't really get to talk to you guys last night too much because I got home super late, almost at 3 o'clock in the morning. So as soon as I came in, I hit the bed and I fell right asleep. So I thought I would wrap this vlog up today with a little mini P.O. box haul. I've never done one of these here on YouTube just because I feel like if I read one thing, I have to read everything. I feel like bad leaving people out, which isn't a problem, but I've opened stuff in the past from P.O. boxes, so I don't want people to be like, oh, why didn't he read mine, or he didn't read mine, so I feel bad he's reading someone else's. Please don't be upset. I'm really, really sorry. I never thought I was going to do one of these, but I checked my P.O. box today and I was like, oh, this is a great outro to a video. So I wanted to open a couple things here on camera for you guys. And truth be told, I wasn't going to do this at all until I saw someone wrote, please open on camera. So we'll open this one first. This one is from Tyler Adrian from California. I always get nervous that I'm gonna like rip the letter. And by the way guys, whatever you send to my P.O. box, I keep in that drawer right over there. I keep every single thing. And I've gotten some weird things. Really weird things. Dear Hunter Lihas, my name is Tyler and I am 11 years old. I know the landing PA/safety PA, so like the landing announcement and the safety demo. Your airline is blank and I am a subscriber. My channel is Taxiing Ty and my Insta is @taxiing_Ty. I really want to be a flight attendant for the airline that I work for. Can you please email me at blank 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 and can we do a video chat on Insta? Signed, the YouTuber Tyler Adrian. Thank you so much, Tyler, for sending me this letter. Definitely you can reach out to me through my business email. It is down in the description box. Always guys, feel free to send me a message on Instagram. If I don't get back to you right away, don't fret. I will always try to get back to you in a timely manner on Instagram. I do get a bunch of messages on there, so it does take me a couple days to get through them sometimes, but I will always reach out to you. Thank you, Tyler, so much. You said that you want to work for my airline eventually. I hope to see you out on the line. And if you ever see me or if you ever get hired by my airline, please let me know. The next one I'm going to open is from Mason, and he is from Connecticut. It's this little card. Let's open it up. It says, Dear Hunter and John, have the best holiday season. Wishing you every joy at this wonderful time of year, Mason. And then there's also a letter in it. Dear Hunter, I'm Mason, a 12, almost 13-year-old from Middlebury, Connecticut. I love your videos. You've inspired me to be a flight attendant. There needs to be more YouTubers and Instagrammers like you. Love, Mason. P.S. My Instagram is Life by Mason, no spaces. Thank you, Mason, so much. That's so nice. I love when you guys tell me that because I was in your shoes at one point. I remember watching YouTube videos of flight attendants and being like, oh my gosh, I want to be a flight attendant now. And I look to those people and it's just like crazy. And I feel like so like, I don't know, it's like a really like overwhelming feeling knowing that I can inspire someone like that. And it really makes me happy. Thank you for telling me that, Mason. This is so sweet of you. Thank you for the card as well. I will be keeping this in my drawer. Thank you so much. I hope you become a flight attendant one day and I hope to fly with you eventually one day. So this next card is from last name Clark and they are from Louisiana. Oh, this is so cute. Happy Thanksgiving. Hey Hunter and John, hope you two have a safe and wonderful holiday season. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas, and Happy New Year's. Love and watch all of your videos. Tall Trucker, I hope I'm saying your name right. Tall Trucker on YouTube. May your day be blessed. Hope your day is filled with lots of reasons to be thankful, from Paul. Thank you so much, Paul. That's so nice. This card is so beautiful. Thank you so much for sending me this. And I hope you have a great holiday season as well. Alright, this is from Thomas. He is from Georgia. Oh my gosh. It's Thanksgiving. Time to stuff the turkey in the morning. Oh, there's like another card inside. Dear Hunter and John, hope you both have a great Thanksgiving. Best wishes, Thomas. Thank you, Thomas. And then there's another little card inside. Oh, this is so cute. Oh boy. I think there's something in this card like glitter. I can't really, it says let it snow. Oh, okay, it's not too bad. It says, oh, there's little like party confetti. It says enjoy those custom Starbucks cups. Custom Starbucks cups. I'm not sure what that is. Sending warm, oh wait, maybe it's in this bag. Did you send me Starbucks cups? Thomas? Okay, I'm gonna read the card and then I'm gonna figure that out. Sending warm wishes your way for the happiest of holidays. I wanted to wish you a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Best wishes, Thomas. Oh, thank you. Wait a minute, so... if there's cups in here, I'm like gonna cry. I might need scissors. Oh, this opened really easily. Oh my gosh. John, come here. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, it says John's cup. How cute is this? Oh my gosh, come here, look at this.
Please tell me to that. Oh.
No, it's not that other thing. Look at this. Thank you so much, Thomas. What the heck? You didn't have to do that.
Oh my god, I love it. Thank you so much.
Thomas. Oh, and it's my favorite color. This is so Christmassy. How do I open this? Oh my gosh. This is so cute. It says Hunter's cup. These are perfect for work. No one will steal them.
Thank you.
Oh my gosh. Thomas. Thank you. What the heck? Thank you so much. Thank you seriously so much from the bottom of my heart to everyone that reaches out and sends me stuff to my P.O. box. Please don't ever feel like you have to send me anything. I love getting your handwritten letters. They mean so much to me. Like I told you, I keep them all. It really touches my heart to see that you guys have formed a relationship with me here on YouTube, and I love that. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up for me. Subscribe down below. All you have to do is click that red subscribe button. Share this video with a friend so they can see Vlogmas 2019. And I will see you guys tomorrow. And I'm doing a special video with John tomorrow, so make sure you stay tuned for that. It will be up at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. But for now, peace out.
Hold up, I am on my way, I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go outside. We can hang out on the beach without freezing. Yeah, isn't that amazing?